Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to add a back to top button when we scroll our page and then we want to add a button here when we click on it and it goes to the top section. Okay, so how we do this? Go to the dashboard and in the dashboard you click on the theme option, and the theme option you can add uh, okay, here is the option. Now it is disabled, click on it and now it is enabled. Okay, so go to the save changes and click on the save changes. When the changes is saved, go now nothing happened, so refresh the page and see, here is the button. When you click on it, it goes to the top section. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe my videos for the next lesson. Okay.